Welcome back to WizKids TV. We have a bunch of eggs with wild animals hiding inside. Can you help me open it to see what animal is inside? They're full of sand. Let's see what animal is hiding inside the sand. I wonder what it is. Do you know what this is? It's a monkey. Yes. There was a monkey hiding inside the egg. Let's do another one. I wonder what's inside this egg. Can you tell me what wild animal is hiding inside? Let's open it. It looks like it has spots. Do you know what this is? It's a cheetah. Yes, a wild cat. Let's see what else there is. Let's open this one. Can you guess what wild animal is hiding inside this one? I wonder what it is. Let's open it. Do you know what this is? It's a tiger. Yes. Wow. Let's see what other animals there are hiding inside the eggs. Let's crack this one open. I wonder what's inside. Can you have a guess? Let's squish it. I wonder what animal is inside. Do you know what this is? It's a rhino. Wow. A rhinoceros. Let's keep going. What's inside this one? Can you have a guess? Let's give it a squish to find out. Do you know what this animal is? A camel. Yes. Look at its hump. Let's see what other animals we have in the eggs. Let's open this one. I wonder what's inside this egg. Let's give it a squish. Let's see what's hiding inside. It looks like a elephant. We have an elephant hiding inside the sand egg. Elephant. Let's see what else there is. Let's open this one up. Let's guess what's inside this egg. Let's give it a squish. Can you tell what it is? It's a zebra. Yes. Zebra. Let's see what other animals there are. Let's open this one. Can you help me squish it? Let's use 2 hands to squish it. I wonder what this is. Can you tell what this is? It's a moose. Yes. Wow. Let's open this one up now. I wonder what's inside this sand ball. Let's give it a squish. Can you see an animal? I see something. I wonder what it is. It's a hippopotamus. Wow, a hippo. Let's do this one. I wonder what's inside this egg. Let's give it a squish. Is it a... Can you tell what it is? It's a lion, the king of the jungle. Lion. We have one more egg. Let's open this surprise egg and see what's inside. Can you help me squish it? I wonder what this is. It's a gorilla. Wow. Thanks so much for helping me open all the surprise eggs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.